Hello everyone, CH here. Welcome to another episode of Bitget Tutorials. In today's episode, we'll introduce you to copy trading on Bitget and show you how to filter traders like a pro. Copy trading is exactly what it sounds like. And with Bitget's one-click copy trade, trading has never been easier. Just choose from one of our expert traders and your trades will be carried out automatically and instantly. Bitget's amazing platform has over 80,000 expert traders for you to choose from. But how do we know which are the best ones to follow? Here's how to filter them. Once you've logged in, head over to copy trading and futures copy trading. The quickest and easiest way to find an expert trader is by toggling between the ranking and the AUM found here. If you choose a trader here, then it'll probably give you about a 40% profit success rate. We're also going to show you how you can increase your profit success rate to 60%. First, you want to click on the filter icon here on the right of the page. You want to go to total profits and set that to over 2,000 and also the win rate to 40%. From there, typically when you combine these two metrics, this is historically proven to deliver about a 60% profitability success rate. And there's some other options that can help narrow down your search as well. If you go down here, you will see the hide full. If you toggle this on, this means that it will hide all the traders that have reached the maximum limit and are unable to gain more followers. Everybody has a cap, so we have to be aware of that. Down here, the local means if you have this toggled on, that means you are only going to be exposed to expert traders in your area. You do want this off, so then you're exposed to elite traders around the world and not just your local market. Next, below we have the verified trader. If you toggle that on, that means it's only going to show well-known figures in the crypto industry. Of course, there's a lot more options that you can check out below. Here, the trading pairs, you can select what trading pair you're comfortable following. So maybe I only stay up to date with Bitcoin, then I can choose BTC USDT. That is completely up to you and whatever your preference is. With that, let's confirm. That will filter out some folks. So from here, let's maybe click on a trader that we can follow. So let's click on this guy, Plutocrat. Just so you know, typically we want to copy a trader that has more than 100 followers and 50 trading orders. The higher the followers and trading orders a trader has, the more credible a trader is. So in this example, we will see Plutocrat has over 6,000 trading orders and over 13,000 accumulated followers. So as you can see here, they do pass those numbers. So this guy is a good guy to follow. When you do want to follow him, just click copy now. And as you will see, these are all the trading pairs that this trader trades in that you can follow. Everything is clicked, but if maybe you're uncomfortable with some of the trading pairs, you can select off. So for example, maybe I don't want to follow his Bitcoin trade. So I can click on that. And if you see the gray area, then that means you're not currently gonna follow that trading pair. But for this purpose, I'm just gonna select it. I'm comfortable with all of his trading pairs, so I'm just gonna leave everything as is. And we can go down. Here you can set your own margin, how much you want to trade with. Maybe let's say, for example, for this, I want to do 100 USDT. And there are further risk management parameters that I can set as well. So you can click on that. You can set your own stop loss. So you can say maybe at 50%, that is the maximum I will do. So you can set it for 50. At the same time, maybe at 50%, I want to take profits as well. So you can set those parameters. You can also set the maximum follow amount. You click confirm and you go down further and you hit next. And there's a last confirmation. You click confirm. And there you have it. You've copied your first trader using the filter method. And don't worry, you can follow multiple traders at the same time. So repeat this process to follow your favorite traders. Do know that no 100% profitability is guaranteed in the crypto market. Always remember to do your own due diligence when copy trading. If you've enjoyed this video, please help us grow by hitting that like and subscribe button. For new users, earn a bonus of up to 5,005 USDT when you download the Bitget app today. And if you'd like to keep up with all things Bitget, check out and follow our socials listed in the description box below. Stay tuned for more Bitget tutorials like these, and we'll see you again next time. Bye-bye.